Guess what? We're in the city. Yeah, I know you're probably wondering, why are we in the city, but there's all green right around me. I'm actually standing at the Bukit Kiara Park, which is right next to the Taman Tun Park. There are two paths here. One is the jungle track and the other one is the tarmac trail. The jungle track is a little bit harder, so if you're more towards the extreme side, you may want to choose that. But with my shoes today, I just came for a little walk, so I'm just going to follow the tarmac. You may want to grab a stick and a bottle of water because it can be quite a long way, so let's head on outside. After about 20 minutes down the path, you'll come to a halfway point where it splits into three directions. This one where I'm standing, there's a sign on the road that says, "This way to your better health." So I need to get a little bit healthy, so I'm going to take this way. But on the other side, if you don't want something a bit too extreme, you can always follow that way and come the other way around. It's a bit easier, but I'm going to shoot this way. Get all healthy. Another thing, make sure when you're taking a walk, don't just focus on, walking all the way just to get healthy. Take a breather, hang around, look up, look around you, enjoy the flora and fauna. There's lots of beautiful flowers around. Another thing that you want to be wary about though, there are quite a number of monkeys around here. So you may want to grab an umbrella or a walking stick, when you come. A good time to start walking is actually at 7 in the morning. There's lots of people around and it's not too hot. But overall, even if you come a little bit later at about 10 or so, it's a pretty good time as well because it's really quite shady anyway. So, by the way, this is just a little tip. It's not a pet-friendly place, so if you do want to take your dog or your cat or whatever pets you have for a little stroll, you may want to take the jungle trail. That way, nobody would say anything and you can just keep them inside, go your way and go out following the jungle trail as well. I just heard it from a friend. I'm just conveying the message, but yeah. This is one of the many rivers that you will actually see along the trail, and this one in particular is actually a biology study center. So if you call them up, they actually do have classrooms about river study and things of that nature. But I mean, if you're tired after a pretty long walk, you can, walk in, sit around, good spot to take a breather. It's very lovely, the trees, and you can hear the crickets at the back and the sound of the water. A good 5-10 minutes and you can start your journey again. Well, I've reached the end of the trail now. It took us about an hour to finish the whole path. I'm really quite tired, worked out quite an appetite. So what I'm going to do now is going to head on to get myself some food. So see you next time.